So in this video, we're just going to download, install DNS and configure it. Right now we're in network and internet settings. We go to network and sharing center, control, change adapter panel, adapter settings, right click, properties, IP4, right, and everything is set there. Okay, we can close this. And then we go to server manager, hit add rules and features, click next, next, next. For me, DNS server, let's just focus, right, DNS server is installed already, so we just click in next now. Right, so I could just close this off. We go to tools, click in DNS. That will take us to the DNS manager. Then we go to Cursor PC is the domain. Well, Cursor PC is the name of the computer. We're looking for forward lookup tools. Right, when we get to there, just want to click the domain, which is already here. And we could do it from here. Right, so we click in. You want to create a new host. So we go in here. And we're putting Cursor W, entering the IP address, which is as we saw before, is 192.168.0.1, and we're selecting add host. Right, so you see it was created there. Right, usually an error message would usually come up telling you it couldn't be created when we try to create the PTR point. But seeing as I would have already installed it, right, which is where you would have to go into the reverse lookup tools. That's this area right here. Right, you right click, you click new zone, right, then like a second option would come up. You click next. You always click the second option when you get into the new zone area. Click next. You put in and make sure it's IP version 4. Then you enter the network part of the IP address, which would be 192.168.0. And you click next. You select allow only secure dynamic updates. Then you click finish. And then you would come back and you would go back into forward lookup zone, which is this area right here. And you do what we just did before, which is you open new host, put in your host name, put in the IP address, select create a new PTR point, and click OK. So that has been done there. Right, and see we're set up. Right, so now what we want to do is we're just gonna test it, right? So we're clicking this and we're selecting launch NS lookup. Right, so we want to put in the domain name. Alright, so it's giving me this error message here, so let's just go back and see what we would have missed. Okay guys, so the error that I believe I made was, you see this up here, Cursor PC, let's focus PC, right, and not focus PC. Cushion PC on top here is what we have to put back down here. Right? Dot Cushion. Oh no, not just up lowercase that. And there we go. And we're all set. See that right there? So it has a default IP address of 192.168.0.1. Right, so that is it for this video. Right, but let me go back and show you guys how to create the PTR. Right, so we're going to go here, select new host, we're going to go to we want to name this one www. Right. One. Just like that. Alright, so it's created because I already had it installed, but if it was not there, you're gonna go to this here, and selecting new zone, and you click next, and you leave that as primary zone, click next to all DNS servers here, click next, just make sure it's IP version 4, click next, and then you'll put in the network portion of the IP address. So 192.168.0, and you click next, next, and finish. Right, so that's how you create it. Mine is already created, so it wouldn't create another one. And you just click OK and cancel. Alright, see? So that's how we configure DNS, guys. And I do want to thank you all for joining me for this video. And join me for the other one where we would install and configure dynamic host protocols. Bye.